Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can clean your Carl Fischer generator electrode.
As a first step, close the protection cap to prevent corrosion by nitric acid. Place the generator electrode into an Erlenmeyer flask. Add concentrated nitric acid 2 cm high into the generator electrode. Wait until all nitric acid passed through the thread. Repeat the procedure with water to remove the acid. In this step you can fill up the generator electrode to the hole. Check if all acid was rinsed out by holding a pH paper to the bottom of the electrode. Repeat the rinsing with water until the pH is neutral. To remove the water, repeat with ethanol or methanol. Denatured ethanol must not contain any ketone component.